delicious Brussels sprouts.
Sometimes our Brussels sprouts are very big, and I usually cut them in 4. This makes them cook faster and they're much easier to eat. I'm going to add ZATAR, a pinch of salt and pepper, and some olive oil. This is all we need. Delicious. So we mix this into our Brussels sprouts and we just mix them so that they all have this delicious flavor. We have our Brussels sprouts all ready to go. So we're going to place all of this into a baking pan and bake it all at once. Scrape all of those delicious flavors from the pan and we're ready to go into the oven. Remember to preheat the oven. Everything's gonna be cooked for 12 minutes at 375. If you haven't preheated the oven, you can add about 7 minutes more. That's it. After it's ready, we have some amazing Brussels sprouts. Healthy and delicious. It is important that our food always tastes good. This way, everyone's gonna eat at home. I'm doing the honors today.
Scroll down for the recipe. You can print it. Subscribe and turn on the bell for recipe updates.